I'm Louise Murray. I'm the Senior Manager responsible for learning and development across customer services. That's approximately 3,000 staff across all of our customer service centres in the UK. I've had really positive experience of campus to date. What I find is a real partnership approach. So although there's a lot going on in the campus area, everyone from campus listens to what we need as a business and recognises that EDF Energy is such a diverse organisation that no one size fits all. So they're really willing to listen to our business needs and tailor their offering to get the maximum benefit for our people in customer services.
Me personally, campus, it's kind of developed me as a trainer. I've learnt a lot of new skills with regards to new ways of working and using new equipment and technology, and it's been quite beneficial in the training room because people have actually been quite engaged with the type of things that we've been bringing in. Just getting people involved in more hands-on technology has been really, really good. In terms of the SAT training model, or the systematic approach to training, it has been really successful. Gives us the consistent approach to training as well. So starting from the first part of it with the analysis side of things, what we've been guilty of in the past is not really doing our root cause analysis to find out what the problem is or what people need training in. So to have one consistent approach in the business, it makes it easier for me.
So campus is a great opportunity for us. They've come up with some fantastic ideas already. I've spent a bit of time at campus and huge potential in what we can use as an organisation to make us better, to help us learn and grow, to look outside, to see something different, something new. We're quite a small select group and we tend to stick together. Campus gives us the opportunity to do something different, to look wider. We've applied SAT right across the business. Some specifics, if you look at operations and what we've done with operations, we've now got an approved or an accredited training program for our operations teams. Implementing SAT has allowed us to reduce the times for the training because we've got targeted training now.
My role on the Training Standards Accreditation Board, which is part of campus, is to bring the knowledge and experience I gained into an international board with very diverse backgrounds from the nuclear industry, from education, from oil and gas and from aviation. So we don't do training just for training's sake. We actually do it because there's a strong basis for improving the performance within the company, either from a safety or from a financial perspective.
I know, and my team know, they're delivering really high quality training. What I struggled to do was evidence that to my stakeholders. So by using the SAT framework, it's given us a real useful tool to be able to evidence to everyone the business benefit that our training is bringing.
Campus partnerships and networks are intrinsically linked. We're all aiming for the same thing, and that's to allow people to grow, contribute really effectively and enhance business performance. So the way that we do that is networks is concentrating on internally, allowing us to do that, whereas the partnerships is really out there seeking the best partners that can enable us to achieve what we want to.
Partnerships for me is about the sharing of expertise and knowledge, and I think that works both us sharing our industry knowledge with external partners, but also external partners sharing their expertise and knowledge with us so that we're heading together on the right strategic path.
The partnership that we're developing now with EDF Energy Campus is all about this strong relationship and engagement of getting that engineering message across into schools. EDF Energy Campus already does some of this work, but by working with Engineering UK, we can act in a more coordinated way. There are over 4,000 secondary maintained schools around the UK that we need to get that engineering message across. What we're looking to do with EDF Energy is hopefully work with their supply chain to get more of those bigger businesses and also medium-sized businesses brought into this partnership of working together and reducing the duplication of effort that's taking place around the UK at the moment.
The nuclear energy industry in the UK has faced a U-turn in government policy, so we've gone from a situation where industry has been in decline to a point where it's suddenly expected to be generating most of the electricity in the country in the next few years. This is creating a huge problem because people have been leaving the industry or have not been recruited by the industry, and we've got this big skill shortfall. And so in terms of campus, it's vitally important for EDF Energy that you're able to train people up, and the university can very much help with that in providing skills and expertise into that training programme.
Currently there's a looming skills gap where something like 50% of the existing expert population of nuclear researchers in the country will retire in the next 5 years. And so we very quickly want to try and increase those numbers, and the way to do that is by getting the best UK graduates and training them up to become nuclear experts. So the advantage of working with campus is at the universities we have expertise which is fundamental in the fundamental aspects of science and engineering. Bristol University and EDF Energy have a long-standing relationship, but what we're doing now is something new, something really exciting, something we haven't done before, and that's to combine and work together for the purposes of teaching nuclear expertise.
Partnership, to me, means openness, means genuine collaboration without any barriers. I think no company today can tackle all the big challenges on its own. No organisation can build its capability on its own. Campus will play a fundamental role in not only influencing the energy strategy, but also the skills strategy required to develop a capability in the UK, in addition to obviously its own benefit as a company.
I would say that my understanding of campus is firstly it's a great demonstration of EDF Energy's commitment to the value of training, and campus itself really being a centre of excellence, both from within the community of EDF, but also drawing in expertise from other fields that are relevant to the EDF business.